Hey folks, Jim Taylor here. I was getting ready to set up for a light painting shot tonight, and I forgot that I had bought a drop system for the Mavic Air 2, and I thought I'd do a quick video of me testing out the drop system. I'm not really going to be dropping anything tonight, but I am going to have something hanging from under the drone, and I thought the drop system would be a good way to center that weight, and so the drone would fly effectively. And you'll have to tune in for my next video in order to see how that works out. I'll be doing that one tonight, hopefully uploading it by tomorrow sometime. So when I get through doing this test with this drop system, I'll remove it and I'll record that so you can see how it goes off. And obviously it would go on in a reverse manner. So let's get this test underway. See how it works. Right there, I don't have the weight picked up. It's just a small flashlight. And see if you can tell the difference in the pitch of the motors. So it does put a little more stress on the motors, but I don't think it's overloaded or anything. So we're gonna ease up a little higher. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the old release systems, but they worked on a separate remote control. But this one, let's see if I can show you. This one has a separate piece. See this white wire? It plugs into this light sensor that straps onto the bottom. And then all you have to do to release the mechanism is to turn on your bottom LED on your drone, which is good because you'll have the same range as you would with the controller in general. Okay. So my release mechanism will work when I turn my lower light on by my function button on my remote. Let's see. So there's the flashlight. We'll watch it drop. There it goes. And so now you can see my light is on in here, and that's what opened it. And I'll turn the light off and it'll shut. See it shut? Now it's open. Alright. Now it opens. Okay, I'm going to set the camera down and reset this and try one more time. Okay, I have it rehooked. Now I'll let you watch it from this end. I'll raise it up just a little so that the flashlight's off the ground. Okay, I'm going to push it 2 times. Light's on, it drops it. 1 time, lights off, it shuts. Okay? And that's that. We'll get in here and on the inside and show it being taken off. So here we are after having tested the drop system. I'm gonna remove it right quick. This is just a Velcro strap that comes with the system. It also comes with some rubber bands that you can use if you don't want to use the Velcro strap. But the Velcro strap is what holds the light sensor in place. So you can take that off, and then your light sensor is free to move. And you can either leave it attached or remove it. It's just a quick little plug. Plug it in. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And then here on this part is a little tab. You just pick up on it like so. And then it unhooks. And then you can just drop the system off. Real easy. When you are putting it on though, you want to make sure this is open and out of the way. And you just slide it up. And to get an idea of how close you need to be, this is kind of made at an angle so it can go in this, where this arm, this molding here goes out. So you can put that close. And then basically, it doesn't line up perfectly, but get it close here, and then you hook that part in here, and you just push the tab down, and it locks it in place, and then it gives you room to push your power button. And down here, you just want to make sure that your release mechanism is between your sensor and your light. So you just make sure that when you put your light sensor on, that it goes against the, it can go right against the release, and then you can just put your strap on and plug it back in, and you're ready to go. You do have to turn this on and off. There's a little switch here on the side. You can flip it and it'll come on after a couple of flashes, and it'll be ready to go. And let me take this out of the way. Also, this is just my 3-mile night flashing light. I'll just get that out of the way. Also, the kit does come with these leg extensions, because when it's on under the belly here, it won't sit on the legs that are molded into the frame. It has to be raised up some. So you have these leg extensions, and they just, you can push them down here where they're looser, and they'll unsnap a lot easier. And just snap them off, and they fold up. So you can actually leave them on the drum if you want. You can just fold them up like so. And the same goes for the front. They just fold back like so. And these just slip on. You just give them a little pressure until they get stuck. It's usually easier to have it folded down. And then just give it some pressure until it sticks good and it won't come off. And that's that. So it seems to work pretty good. That was actually my first test of it. I am going to use it tonight with my light painting idea. I won't be actually releasing, so I'm just going to have this unit on here. I won't even have the light sensor on it for this experiment. Y'all can tune into that video when I get it uploaded. So that's that. I'm not sure about longevity because I haven't had it that long myself. In fact, this is the first day I tested it, and they're like $30, I think, on Amazon or eBay. You could get it either place. I'll try to drop an Amazon link below. So anyway, till next time, y'all have a good evening.